How to fix PS5 controller showing Xbox button on Steam. You want to open up Steam first. Once you open up Steam, click on the logo in the top left and then go into settings. Now here we are just going to select controller and then you want to select show advanced settings. Now what you have to do is to disable this option, enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. So disable this one. And then you want to change this one, PlayStation controller support, to not enabled. Once you have done this, you can close this window and we will need to go into our library. Right click on the game which you are trying to use the controller with and select properties. Now navigate to controller and then you want to change this, use advanced settings to disable Steam input. Afterwards, your controller, PS5 controller, should work normally. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.